This is the part 2 of the course. Here, students will get a thorough idea about reading architectural drawing and documentation. Okay, now let's get into AutoCAD Drafting Part 2, Learning Outcome. Under Part 2, Section 2, all the required basics will be covered. Section 3 is about the definitions, categories and types of drawings and specifications. About the layout of drawing sheet will be discussed in great detail in Section 4. We'll discuss about drawing convention such as line type, thickness, materials and symbols in Section 5. The Section 6 is about scale. Here, types of scale, scale factor and related practical problems will be discussed. Under Section 7, we'll go through about civil drawings. Here, land survey plan and site plan are emphasized. Here, we'll read an architectural drawing of a simple residential building. Section 9 is about reading architectural council approval drawing. In Section 10, we'll learn about seat sequence number, discipline and seat type designator of National CAD standard. This is about architectural drawing and documentation. Here, we'll go through architectural seat types, legends, specification, cross-referencing and preparing set of architectural drawing. Section 12 is about reading architectural drawing of an industrial building. In this Section 13, we'll read about detailed drawing such as detailed plan, notes, wall section, foundation, retaining wall, doors, windows, interior, staircase, roof, septic tank and socket pit. Section 14 is about design concept as listed here. This will give an initial idea about designing an architectural building. Okay, there are a lot more. We'll start the course.